Hey guys, it's Brian Kelly here, and just want to say thanks so much for deciding to take a look at this video. The reason you're probably looking at this video is because you received a postcard or a letter from me, and it was asking you to come to this website, which is a video. It's called make 1500 per week.com. And as you can see here right in front of you, I want to share a way that you can earn $1,500 per week. Very legitimately, very easy. But before I do that, for get this is totally unscripted. I'm just kind of talking, having a conversation here, okay? And the bottom line is you're probably involved in a network marketing business or a mail order business or something online or offline where two gets two, who gets two, and you make all that money, that sort of thing. That's the way it's supposed to work. But to be honest, I mean, and I'm going to ask you the question. I mean, seriously, is that really, really working for you? I mean, you're mailing out postcards every week. You're mailing out letters every week. You're doing what the company tells you to do. And at the end of the day, are you making any money? And I'm not talking about making $100 here, $100 here. I'm talking about consistent, money on a weekly basis or even a daily basis. And these companies, they tout that you can do this, but in reality, it's really hard. I'm not saying you can't, but it's really hard. It's really hard to do that. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. For me personally, I have been involved in network marketing and these type programs for several years. I've done pretty well, I guess you want to call it. But the bottom line is, you have to you come into these programs not having any money because you want to make money, but you have to, at the end of the day, you have to always spend a lot of money on advertising, on postage. I mean, prime example, okay, if you're mailing out let's say for instance, you're in a mail order program, okay, and you're mailing out the company letter or whatever they have you to do. First of all, you've got to get a good mailing list. That's the first thing. That's the hardest thing you can do is to get a good mailing list. Okay, that's going to cost you some money. Then you got to buy the envelope, and then you've got to pay for printing, which is could be a lot of money if you're printing out thousands of flyers or what have you. Then you've got to factor in how much postage. Now here it is, 2020. I think postage is like 55 cents per stamp. And then you have to factor in your time. How much time are you taking to do this? I mean, that's very important. So when it's all said and done, just mailing out one letter to a mailing list that you have no idea, if it's going to get good prospects or not, you're spending upwards of like 70 cents. Okay. And in reality, if you're sending out, 1,000 a month or whatever, that's like what, $700, I want to say. Yeah, $700 I think it is. And in reality, how much are you really making? I mean, how much are you really making from that? Again, I've been, was doing this for years, and like I mentioned before, I made money, but it was never real, honest, consistent money. And that's the situation that you're probably in. I don't know. The biggest thing is the advertising. You've got to always advertise your business, and you've always got to ultimately rely on other people. You get a person involved, and if they don't do anything, then ultimately you don't get those residuals that pay that they say that you can make. And that's very, very frustrating. I mean, it's if you make $100 here, $500 there, that's fine and well. But I'm talking. I mean, let's face it. We're in a here there's a pandemic. People are losing their jobs, and you know bills don't take a break. Bills come every month, and that's those one thing I can say about bills. They're consistent. um, but you've got to find something that can make you money on a consistent basis. Okay, whether it's $100 a week every single week, or $500 a week, or $1,000 a week, or in here, my case here, $1,500 a week. Okay, I'm talking about something consistent, day after day, week after week. Okay, and that's what you want to have. If you're in these network marketing businesses, I mean, I'm sorry to say it, but they're not going to do it for you. I mean, they're not. I'm not trying to be negative. Um, I'm just being very, very honest as I can, because I'm not talking from a person. I've actually been in the trenches. I've mailed out thousands of postcards, thousands of letters, and gotten zero return, and that's very disheartening. And it's frustrating. And what happens a lot of times is you find someone sends you a postcard, and you get all excited, and you get on a conference call, and they're all rah 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 and pumped up and everything, and then you send out your $100 or $500 or $1,000 to get involved in this program. And what happens is, you follow the instructions. They say, well, you got to get postcards, you got to get flyers, whatever, and you do that, and then you send those things out, and you don't get a return. Now, mind you, you just can't do it one time. You got to be consistent with that. But at the same time, that does take money to do that. So if you don't have $1,000, $2,000 put away for advertising, it's kind of hard to do that. And Facebook used to be a really good place to advertise, but that's kind of getting watered down. And also Facebook, they tend to have stricter rules on these type of programs, so they are really shying away. So if you put something on Facebook, it could get taken off or whatever, and that sort of thing. And so it seems like it's getting harder and harder for the entrepreneur to make money online. um, you know, uh, that's just the bottom line. And then, of course, if you want to just do your stuff offline completely, yeah, you can do that. But again, that takes money to do. It really does. And so you get involved in a program, you don't make any money, and then you get something else comes in the mail, and then they do the same thing. It's like a never-ending cycle. It's a vicious cycle, and you're getting involved in one program 1 week, and you do that for 2 weeks, and then you get into something else, something looks better. So you just do. And again, I'm not like saying anything bad against you. I'm speaking from experience, because I have done that. Okay, I have literally done that, and done it for years, and I've lost thousands of dollars. I mean, I'm not gonna I have lost thousands and thousands of dollars doing this thing. And again, you have people, I call them heavy hitters, who are in the industry, and yeah, they're successful. And the reason why they're successful is because they might have a mailing list of buyers that they've had over a period of years, and they've had it. They may have 100,000 people. So what do? They get involved in a program, right? And what they do, they type one email, and they send it to the entire list, right? And then their entire list, a lot of them sign up. And then once they sign up, then that person gets on Facebook or YouTube or whatever, makes a video and says, hey, I just made $50,000. And then you're like, oh my gosh, I can do the same thing. But the reason why they're able to do that is because they have a huge list. You don't have a huge list. You're kind of just starting out. So, that's kind of misleading right there. And again, I'm just being extremely raw, extremely honest with you. I'm not trying to like dash your dreams or whatever, but I just feel the need to kind of to say this, because people have just been blinded by this. And so just kind of want to share that information. Also, I remember this is probably maybe 6 months ago. I've been getting an email, well, tons of emails about I'm not gonna say the name of the company. As a matter of fact, I forgot what it was. And this company was in quote unquote pre-launch, pre-launch, and they were saying that you can, if you they'll send you a website. All you have to do is get all the people involved, and that sort of thing. And we're going to be launching this business. And if you want to start, I think you can pay like $75, and you get in a great position. And I was getting emails every day from people. Man, I'm signing up, and I'm sure this company collected like probably hundreds of thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, and from my understanding, it never launched. It's these pre-launch companies. They they're in pre-launch forever, it seems like, and they never materialize. And so you got to be careful with that as well. And so, there's so many tricks of how these people do things, and it's just very annoying. And that's why I kind of migrated out of the industry. Again, I'm not 100% against it, but there are things that in the industry that they don't tell you that you have to know. And again, if you have money set aside, a couple $1,000s to advertise, yes, you can make money. But if you are, dead broke and you don't really have any money for advertising, it's going to be really hard for you to do, for you to do something. And that's not impossible, but it's really, really hard. But the main thing is your bills are consistent. Your bills are they come in every single day. And what are you going to do about that? Are you going to go and, get a part-time job? Well, jobs now are kind of hard to find because of this whole COVID thing. You're probably working a full-time job already. Most people are, but they just need that extra, $500, $1,000 a month to kind of make ends meet. But if you're in a network marketing company and you're kicking out that kind of money for advertising, it kind of defeats the purpose. Okay. And and so that's just the way it is. I mean, I get mail every day, from people. I mean, they're good people. They're hardworking people, and some of these programs are good. Some of them are just not the best in the world and stuff. And so, and they're just trying to make it, man. I mean, I'm not blaming anything, or saying anything bad about these folks and stuff, but they're trying to make it. They're trying to make an honest buck, and this thing is kind of set up, kind of sets them up for failure. And like I said before, they go from one program to the other program to the other program to the other program, and they never get any traction. They never make any real money, but they end up spending money and losing thousands of dollars. Again, been there, done that, got the T-shirt for it. Okay, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay, and so that's just the bottom line. So again, I'm not completely, just saying just don't ever get involved in these programs. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying just, got to be very cautious and just be mindful of the fact that, you can make money, but it's going to be, a little challenging. So just please understand that. Okay. So, and for me personally, I kind of migrated away from that because it's just not, you know, it was easy for me to recruit people, not a problem. But then I would get phone calls and emails and say, well, Brian, this isn't working for me like you said it's going to work. And it's just that just kind of, I guess, kind of bothered my conscience. You know what I mean? And I was like, I just felt kind of bad. I really did. Because they just weren't making the money that I hoped that they would have made, and everything like that. Because the not everyone. There's some people out there that say, "Well, this is a scam" and all that stuff. It's not. Most of these companies, they're not scams. They're just people are just real skeptical, and sometimes it's really hard to convince a person to join a network marketing company. So there's a lot of things that are good, but there are a lot of things that kind of, I guess, network marketing has a negative stigma attached to it. Gifting and things like that. They have a negative stigma attached to them, and no matter how legit they are, if there's a negative stigma attached to it, it's really hard to convince a person to become a part of that. Okay, so that's very important. So for me, like I said, I've kind of migrated away from that. I've got involved in something else. I'm not going to even say what it is. I'm going to keep you guys in suspense, but I'll tell you, it's something that's a learned skill. I actually I teach it to students myself. It's something that's very 100% legitimate. It is the backbone of the United States economy, well, actually the worldwide economy. If this thing doesn't exist, you know what? It's the whole country, the whole world would just kind of collapse. Okay, and so again, I teach this in a course, and it's located right here where it says secretwealthprogram.com. What I want you to do, it's like a video. It'll explain exactly what this is all about. Now, I'll tell you, with this program, you do not have to mail out postcards or send letters or recruit a downline or get on conference calls. it has absolutely, positively nothing to do with any type of network marketing, gifting, um, big ticket type programs at all. Absolutely, positively not. This is something that you can do as long as you have internet access and a laptop or desktop. You can do this program. It's a learn specialized skill that I will teach you. It's not hard at all, very small learning curve. And I'm very good at doing this. I've been doing it for a few years now. And I want to show you guys something that actually works, because I don't want you to continue on this, um, this nonstop thing of you doing these network marketing programs and losing all this money. It's just not worth it. You don't have time for that. And I want to see you actually do something that works, something you can take. This is a specialized skill, like I said. This is a specialized skill that you're going to learn. I'm going to teach you, and you will literally be able to make as much money as you want. And I'm not exaggerating. I'm not pulling your leg. I'm not, blowing this thing out of proportion. Absolutely not. This is a learned skill, and I'm gonna teach you exactly what this is all about. You work probably an hour at the very most 2 hours per day doing this. And again, it's not hard at all. Okay, it's not hard at all. I take you by the hand. I show you exactly what you need to do in order to be successful in this. Very important. Okay, so like I said, if you're looking, if you're looking for something that's legitimate, something that's not going to go out of business, something that you're not going to, have to send out postcards and letters and things like that to a mailing list that's going to send you back all your stuff, and you're going to lose a ton of money. Absolutely not. I'm kind of done with that kind of situation, and I just want to help you out, because you're probably a decent person. You probably have a family. You probably have bills. You probably have things that you want to do. But for so long, you've been spinning your wheels and trying to make this thing work, and it's just not working. And just you need to sit down and have a long talk with yourself and look in the mirror and say, what do I need to do to change things around? I'm not telling you got to make a zillion dollars a month. I mean, not saying that. I mean, you might need to make $500 a month extra. You might need to make $1,000. I mean, whatever. This program I'm going to show you, this skill that I'm going to teach you, is something that can definitely do that for you. Okay, it's not hard. I take you by the hand. I'm very patient. I show you exactly what you need to do in order to be successful with this. Okay, so what I want you to do now is I want you to go to this. It's called secretwealthprogram.com. It's a video, and I want you to watch that video. And on that video, it's going to give you very specific instructions as to what you need to do. And all you have to do is follow those instructions, and we can get you going. Okay. So again, thanks for taking a look at this video. I do appreciate that, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye for now.